Hello friends, today we are going to see demo on Snowflake user based access control. So if you have not seen my blog on this, I would request you to please see my recent blog on understanding user based access control UBAC in Snowflake. So let's start with a demo. Alright, so for enabling this feature, at the moment this feature is by default not enabled in every account. To enable this account, you need to enable this bundle 2025-02. So at the moment, if you want to grant directly any privilege to user, it will fail. Let's see. So it will give me an unexpected user, because at the moment my Snowflake account doesn't have this bundle enabled and doesn't understand what is UBAC. So before granting, let me just showcase what all grant I have. So if you can see, at the moment my user is only having account admin, org admin and sentry, right? So let me just enable this bundle quickly on my account. Sorry, I think I need to select and then execute. Alright, so you can see the bundle is enabled. Now I will come here and I will just give the grant to user, and you can see that it's successful. Now let's check the grant post giving the privileges to directly to a user. So now you can see that to my user I have the privilege directly granted to a particular user. So the database which I granted the usage privilege to user is now visible under the show grant. So that's all about this demo. I can just revoke that grant also like this, and now if I can check, it will get removed from my particular user, and I can always disable as well this bundle if I want. So I can then disable as well. So now if I again go and try to grant to a user, it will give me the error. So that's all about the demo. Thank you guys.